Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, I'm driving along Bank Road Umuahia, the popular Bank Road in Umuahia, Abia State. And as you can see, heavy duty machines and men are on ground and they are, constructing this road. This is an expansion of this road is going on, reconstruction of this road. And as you can see, the high quality drainage that has been constructed here already. So guys, watch till the end, watch down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. You can see the thickness of the drainage there, and that is nice. Like I said, I am driving along Bank Road Umuahia. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. If you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. And as you can see, heavy duty machines, trucks everywhere, trucks, nebutage, nebute gravel, nebute everything. They are really doing a very good job here, and we are just in front of government house, and we are taking this direction so that you can still see what is going on this side of Bank Road in Umuahia. One anochoza oza ga ezigbo mma, anochoza be me ya expand ọ ga mama na mmadụ na-use ya dị okay, So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button, watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So when you look at my right hand side, you see that construction of the drainage is still going on. Down. You understand? Yes, so you can see one tractor being a heavy duty machine also coming. You understand? It shows a serious work they go on here. Please, did you forget to subscribe? Please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. And if for updates in Abia State, in fact, in the whole of Southeast, because I'll be expanding my coverage of things that are happening, constructions that are going on in the southeastern part of Nigeria. So just very close to Obara Square, you can see construction is also going on here. I think maybe it's a drainage also that they're constructing here. Just see Obara Square there, you understand? See the fountain, the water fountain. And now this is a video I did this past December. This is Ozakoli Road past December, and you can see work is going on here too. Work is going on everywhere in Umuahia and Anokash everywhere. So this is December. I made this particular one you're watching now, this particular video now, the particular section of this video December last year. So as you can see, work is also going on here. Our traffic light, it may organize movement by moto, keke, and the rest of them. You can see serious work is going on. So guys, please watch the video down to the end. Fact, help me click the share button, share this video also. On Abia State water. Thank you so much, and watch the video down to the end.